Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Professor Muhammad Naeem Awan from Pyramid Group of Colleges, a project of ELC. Today we are going to learn a lecture about English. Actually, English is a very easy language, but the students think that this is a difficult language. Today we will discuss about the two ways that how to explain, how to say that we like something, we are interested in something, and we don't like it. I think we are not interested in anything. We will discuss about the 10 ways to explain it. It's interesting. First, we will discuss that how to say if you like something, if you have interest in anything, it's interesting. Simply you can say it's interesting. For example, you are discussing about something, the environment of the ELC, you have to explain what do you think about the environment. You say this is interesting, it's interesting. Secondly, you can say I like it. It's interesting, I like it. It looks good. This is also a second way, third way to say this. It looks good. It's my thing. Whatever you like, you also can say it's my thing. You can say it's fascinating. It's fascinating. And this is wet. This is wet. And you can say I'm crazy about it. It's interesting. I like it. It's like good. It looks good. Or you can say I'm crazy about it. This is a very beautiful sentence. You should like it. That I'm crazy about it. This is totally sick. Or you can say I couldn't put it down. I couldn't put it down. मैं इसे नीचे नहीं रख सकता. मुझे बहुत पसंद है. You can say I couldn't tear myself away. And now we will discuss how to say something if you don't like something. If you think that this is boring. It's boring. It's boring. You don't like it. It's very dull. I dislike it. I like it and I dislike it. I'm not keen on it. That's not for me. This is for me and that's not for me. It bores to tears. It's not my cup of tea. It's not my cup of tea. When you say something, this is my, it means you like it. When you say that this is not mine, it means you don't like it. And I'm not crazy about it. I'm crazy about it and I'm not crazy about it. I was dying of boredom. I'm dying of boredom. यानी आप बहुत बोर हो रहे हैं, बहुत dislike कर रहे हैं. It's like watching grass grow. ये जिस तरह नीचे grass होती है, घास की अहमियत नहीं उस तरह से है. So these are, I hope you will like these sentences and you will use in your life. And we will come again in the next lecture. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel Professor Muhammad Naeem with cameraman Sir Professor Ali Rizwan. Allah Hafiz.